Yes, oke gimana? 101.1 Smart FM di Spirit of Indonesia. Yes, as usually every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Of course, we have a special program, yeah, English program, Smart of Life, with English communities, of course. And I'm not alone here. We have a friends from a views communities in South Sulawesi, especially in Makassar. Yes, before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, I would like to invite our guests to introduce themselves one by one. Who is the name? Yeah, the name of the community and the schedule and etc. Smart listeners and viewers at home. Yeah, and okay, here we are. Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello. How are you?
We're fine.
Fine.
Alhamdulillah, yes.
Oh my god, three of them wearing black colors. So are you group guys?
No.
No, you come from different group.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, as I mentioned just now, I promise that before we get talking about our topic for this evening, I would like to invite them to introduce themselves one by one. Okay, I start from in the corner, please.
Okay.
Please introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your community? And how looks like your community? What about the agenda? Come on, you may speak to the camera, to smart listeners and viewers at home. Please, come on.
Alright, okay. Hello.
Hi. Okay, come on,
Okay,
please.
let me introduce myself. My name is Noraini binti Abdullah, but people or my friends always call me Nor or Aini.
Nor or Aini.
Yes,
Okay.
but in UKM Bahasa, my friends or all the member always call me Nor.
Okay, please explain what is UBUM, UKM Bahasa Uniswa Makassar. What is?
Okay, UKM Bahasa is an organization
Mhm.
that engage in language field where there are 5 languages and one
Wow.
debate division.
Okay.
There are 5 languages, which is Japanese,
Mhm.
Korean, Arabic, English, and local.
So we can call you guys polyglot, right? Because all of you guys are, like study about the 5 languages, right? So how many languages do you know?
For me, not all the 5, but
Uh-huh.
I can speak in English,
Uh-huh.
Indonesia, Bugis,
Okay.
and also Korean.
Okay.
Korean.
Okay, for languages.
Yes.
Wow. Cool.
Yes.
Okay, Nur, yeah, welcome in our second home.
Thank
Yes, Smart
you.
FM. Okay, next, please. You know the clue, right?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Hello everyone. My name is Anissa Salsabila. You can call me Nisa.
Mhm.
I'm from Meta, or you can find on Instagram is Matcha Education, because Meta is
Come on.
the son company of Matcha Education. So,
Okay. So how looks like the agenda or the activity?
the agenda sometimes in the second every week,
Mm-hmm.
in Saturday or Sunday,
Okay.
and they are start at 9 and finish after duhur. Ba'da
Okay,
duhur.
that is a special matcha community.
Yes.
Okay, because we are prefer to explain about matcha community
Yes.
than the other of matcha. Okay, so is it free of charge for the members or the participant if they want to join with matcha community, but not matcha other matcha community?
For matcha community is free, sir.
Okay.
And if you want to join the
Discussion.
schedule,
schedule?
you can come. Just
Okay.
come.
For more detailed information about the matcha community,
You can
may.
search on Instagram Matcha Education.
Okay, follow guys, yes, participants and viewers, and do not hesitate to ask anything about the activity about of matcha community. Welcome, Anissa in our second home. Next, okay.
So, hello everyone.
Mhm.
My name is Andi Amil Amrillah, but everyone call me Amil.
Mhm.
I'm from the same community as Nor before.
Okay.
It's UKM Bahasa Unisma Makassar.
Amil Zakat.
Yeah, people actually calling me that.
Amil.
Amil. So,
Okay.
so yeah, I'm coming from the same group as same community as Nor.
Okay.
It's UKM Bahasa. We're learning about 5 languages,
Mhm.
and especially I'm focusing on English debate division.
Oh, debater.
Yes.
But you guys?
She actually also debating,
Okay.
but in Indonesia.
Oh.
Yeah.
cool,
That's very-
great.
yeah.
So you may maybe give addition about your community. How it looks like your community.
Okay. So in our community, there is 5 languages, but we're not only talking about the languages, but we are also talking about the culture. So we're talking about the culture of Japanese people, the
Mhm.
Korean people, and also
Mhm.
like the local. Also, we will preserve that also.
Okay, it's relate with cross cultural and understanding,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, it's
Okay,
about
giving a
it.
plus for us. It's cool, yeah. From UKM Bahasa Indonesia Makassar by you and from Meta. Okay, as my promise that I would like to mention our topic for this evening, and the topic is transmigration and urbanization. Giving a plus. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Okay, I'm start from you. How do you think about our topic for this evening?
I think as a debaters.
Oh, okay.
Transmigration and
This is a motion, yeah.
yeah. It's kind of like emotion. So
Uh-huh.
I think transmigration and urbanization is commonly used in debates,
Mhm.
and I have recently found this kind of motion. So I
Mhm.
think urbanization is kind of what is we call that? It's very difficult
Mhm.
because people always you do that,
Mhm.
right? People coming from the rural areas and
Okay.
then coming to the big cities and make it more dense in the city,
Mhm.
and I think it's very very burdening the government, because I think there is not enough space in the big city, right? And I think that
So you stand for pro or contra? Which one you are?
actually I stand for contra first time.
Contra. Okay, but keep your statement.
Okay.
What about you, Noor? How do you think about our topic for this evening?
Well, urbanization and transmigration is one of the best topic to discuss
Oh, really?
tonight. Yes, I
Okay,
think because we have to learn a lot about
Uh-huh.
how this urbanization and transmigration
Mhm.
develop in our country, Indonesia,
Mhm.
especially.
When you got for the first time this topic, what is your reaction?
At first, I'm nervous because I never discussed this topic before, even in the
Okay.
debating.
Uh-huh.
I never got this motion,
Uh-huh.
but yeah, I make some research to
Mhm.
know about what is actually urbanization and transmigration. Like that.
Okay, keep your statement for a while. Okay, while we're waiting, our friend for join to make it complete the Fantastic Four. Okay, yeah, Anissa, how do you think about our topic for this evening?
For this topic tonight is
Mhm.
very interested because why the people in
Yeah, do not hesitate to put bahasa or mix or combine your language when you start to speak English. Okay, come on.
Oke. Kenapa orang-orang pada saat masa muda mereka ke kota, sedangkan saat tua mereka memilih ke desa-desa?
Why? Why?
Ya. itu
I mean,
pertanyaan.
I mean, give
question.
your strong
Oh.
argument. Why?
Maybe because in masa muda mereka
Okay.
itu pengen cari experience yang lebih besar.
Uh-huh.
Sedangkan kalau
To get more experience.
experience more
Than.
rather than for masa tua
Okay. Okay.
pengen balik ke kampung, sir.
It sounds like balik kampung. Yeah. Okay, good. So, but what is your reaction when you got this topic? I mean, like your reaksi when you got this first time. Reaksi pertamanya gitu apa?
Just so.
So, just so.
Yeah,
Uh-huh. You feel like okay, this is normal,
yeah.
or maybe it is just challenging, interesting, or easy, or
This is
how do you feel?
normal.
this is. Oh my god, I like your character. It's like a natural, yeah. It's like polos banget. Oh my god. Okay, I move to the next question. My question is, why do people move to from this to this? From urbanization to transmigration to from transmigration to urbanization. Do you get my point? Okay, Nur. please. Why the
Thank you
peoples?
for the question.
Yes.
So, I think there are a lot of people want to have a better life in the
Mhm.
future, especially for their career, for example.
Mhm.
So that's why they choose to urbanization. They move
Okay.
from the rural area or side village to move to the cities because they want to get a job opportunity or
Mhm.
maybe the best education. Maybe
Mhm.
I think a few of us here is also urbanization. Why?
Mhm.
Because I come from Baru. I moved to
Okay.
Makassar because I think
You need to get
education.
education,
Yes,
yeah.
to get the education here
Mhm.
is better than at the village.
Like all about bright future, right?
Yes.
Okay. So how do you think, Amil, not Zakat, yeah?
Just Amil, yeah.
Yeah, just Amil. How
Okay.
do you think why do people move also to from urbanization to transmigration or transmigration to urbanization? Why?
I see.
Why this happened?
I think from the organization itself,
Mhm.
people like Nor already said that people want to make better life, of course.
Mm-hmm.
People want to get a good education, want to get job like that.
Mhm.
Because in the village there are few of them, it's just a
Okay.
little bit of them.
Mhm.
So like people want to try to challenge themselves, I guess.
Mhm.
They wanted to challenge themselves and then to make a better future, to make a improvement of themselves, I think.
Mhm.
So I think they want to challenge themselves to go to the big city to do
Mhm.
that.
Mhm. So where are you from?
I'm originally come from Bulukumba.
Ah, Bulukumba. So you permanently here, or just like a streak iron come go?
Yeah, yeah. Sometimes I go back to Bulukumba like few months, once in a few months, I guess.
Like a holiday,
Yeah.
like vacation, yeah?
Just
Or
go-
balik kampung.
Just balik kampung.
Just balik kampung.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, Anissa, please. Do you get a
Oh,
point?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
60
so-
seconds for you.
So I agree with
Nor.
Kak Nor and
Why do people do urbanization
Be-
or transmigration?
yeah, because why people do urbanization, because in village or region
Uh-huh.
is lack of income
Okay.
and so little for a job, sir.
Okay.
Because if they are do urbanization, they are get new can create
Improve,
new
great, and
new
high salary,
job,
high
salary,
education, high opportunity.
skill too in
Yeah.
here, right?
Okay, and looking for jodoh mungkin.
Most of them use that.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We move to the next question. My third question. What is actually the weakness of this phenomenon? I'll start from you. What is the weakness of this phenomenon?
Okay, so the weakness or the disadvantages from
You have to put your reason only, your statement only for weakness, because we
Okay.
keep it for the next question for the strengths. Okay, weakness first.
Okay, so the weakness.
Mhm.
I think the weakness is there's no limit of the people coming to the
Ah.
city. We can take like 1,000,000 of 1,000 of them coming into the city.
Mhm,
It's
mhm.
make the city very crowded,
Mhm,
right?
mhm.
And in addition, they're coming to the city without any preparation or any skill like
Mhm.
that. It just a bunch of them go to the city and then make the city more crowded. I
Mhm.
think there's the
And suddenly the city is become like a bigger city. Something like that.
yeah.
Oh my god.
It's
Mhm.
very and then also the traffic is very bad
Yeah,
here.
yeah,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, and then I think that's the biggest harm or the disadvantages of this urbanization, I think.
So like explosive population.
Yeah, exactly.
And make a many negative impact like criminality, maybe
Yeah,
a
mm.
beggar,
Yes.
and social, how to say,
Social gap, I guess.
social gap,
Yes.
yeah, and etc. Okay, what about you, Anissa? What is the weakness of this phenomenon, urbanization and transmigration?
The big phenomena is overpopulation. So like
Overpopulation.
you mentioned, and
What about overdoses? No.
Sometimes people is that.
Okay, come on, continue.
just that.
Ah,
Yeah,
you,
overpopulation.
you may elaborate, you may make it addition with your statement, but I'm sure you have a many data about it because you already researched, right? Okay,
Yeah.
come on, slow but sure, it's okay.
So, uh,
Yeah, come on.
so yang
Yeah, no
That's
more.
okay.
It's okay. Just
Okay.
combine.
Jadi yang dibilang tadi Sir itu sangat betul.
Mhm.
Selain overpopulation, there can get
Gap,
get
gap.
gap
Kesenjangan sosial.
ya gap sosial,
Uh-huh.
and so
What about
many
criminality?
cybercriminal,
Yes.
ya hacker.
Oh my god.
Penipu.
What about begal or
Yeah.
beggar or pencurian, something like that, Anissa?
Ya can be Sir.
Can be.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's scary. Okay, keep your statement. I move to Noor. What do you think about the weakness of this phenomenon?
Okay, I think it's about the competition.
Oh, wow.
Why?
Competition.
Because we know that when there are a lot of people,
Mm-hmm.
which is mean the increase of competition is
Mhm.
excess.
Mm-hmm.
When we know that, like Amil said before,
Mm-hmm.
people from the village is still in the level of, I'm sorry to say this, but
Mhm.
it's a bit negative, a low maybe skills or
Ah,
ability.
yeah, right,
But when they
right.
move, they need to compete with the people who already have a good education.
Ah.
So the weakness is they need to try prepare themselves from the below
Mhm.
to high.
So you are one of the people who are
Yes.
prepared with competition.
Of course, yes.
Okay. You come from Baru, go to Makassar, move to the Makassar, but you prepare yourself, yeah, to get high education, and of course compete, right? Okay, we move to the opposite things. I mean, like, the strengths, the positive things of the urbanization and transmigration. I'm of, you again. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
What is your
Uh,
strengths?
Strength. So okay, strength or advantages of the
Advantages.
urbanization.
Yeah.
Of course, like what I have said before,
Mhm.
with the goals of to be someone who a good, a better life.
Mhm.
So by doing an urbanization or transmigration, we can get a new opportunity like
Okay.
job maybe or education
Mhm.
or maybe facilities that are already exist in the big cities.
Mhm.
So at the end, it can lead you to have a good life in the future. I think.
So far, how do you think about Makassar city? Because you are from Baru, right? So
Okay.
far, how do you think?
Okay, at first, there is a big difference between Makassar and
Uh-huh.
Baru. The first thing first that I have feel what is the difference between Makassar and my village is my village, the network that only available at there is Telkomsel.
Ah.
Meanwhile, at Makassar, we can use everything like
Uh-huh,
network,
uh-huh,
right?
uh-huh.
Then this is what of the difference why Makassar set as the one of the big cities in Sulawesi Selatan. Then,
and one of best maybe.
Oh yes,
also?
of course, because there's a lot of facilities and also institution maybe institution. There are many good institutions.
Nice statement. Okay, I move to you, Amil. Okay. Do you have a brother? The name Amal?
No. They would be the twins.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you get the point, right? The
Yeah.
question. Okay, 30 seconds for you.
Okay, 30 seconds start from now. Okay, so I
Kidding.
think, So I think the strength of the urbanization itself is like the diversion for me. When you got a lot of people from different areas or different regions,
Mhm.
you got the diversion of them.
Mhm.
You got the people from maybe we seen Makassar. We got the people from Bulukumba and Rekang,
Mhm.
maybe Toraja or Polewali Mandar like that. Those kind of diversion make those people or in the community in Makassar is more apa ya, can interact with each other. I
Mhm.
think that's a good one because I think now we are in the globalization era.
We get many knowledge, insight.
insight. We can know about their culture also.
Mhm.
I think that's a very good point about the urbanization itself.
So far, because you're from Bulukumba, how do you think about Makassar city itself?
Not too much. I think
It's
yeah.
significant for you.
Oh yeah, the significant of course must be the facilities,
Uh-huh.
but I think for the environment, I think it's better in Bulukumba because we have a lot of beaches and etc.
Okay. Yeah. Now you. Okay, come on. What we're talking about the advantages or strengths. Your
Okay.
perspective.
The strength for transmigration.
Yeah, about them transmigration
Okay,
and
but then,
urbanization.
In have a best quality for
Mm-hmm.
education.
Yeah.
Because because if I compare my village
Where
on
are you from?
Masamba,
Oh, salam ku Ewi Masamba. Okay, come on, continue.
Masamba,
Mhm.
they are so little for education, sir.
Okay.
But for the Hafiz is so very good.
Hafiz.
Yeah,
Menghafal Quran.
Yeah.
Oh, the recite hafal Quran. Mashallah. Okay. So continue. Do you have any addition about your statement about the strengths or the advantages?
Just for
You keep it.
education and the technological.
Mm-hmm.
We can in here.
Easy to reach.
Yeah,
Easy to reach in Makassar. The technology
yeah,
untuk menjangkau.
yeah. It's so easy
It's
to
easy.
take it.
Okay, and you may go to the mall, movie,
Yes.
shopping. It's like a paradise of shopping, in Makassar. Okay, I'm. My next question. How many minutes? Okay, wow, it's too short because we start from the 7:30, but it's okay. We maximize our topic for this evening. Okay, before we move to the next topic, maybe guys you may prepare about the vocabulary related with our topic, or maybe idioms, a wise word. But before we move to that things, maybe guys, about you, three of you or all of you guys, maybe give the conclusion maybe about our topic for this evening. I'll start from you. What is your conclusion?
Okay, conclusion for this topic, transmigration and urbanization, is how people in the teens era is go to the city and in the monopause,
Okay.
expose.
I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Come on.
Suppose
Uh-huh.
they are go back to the village.
But actually, what is your target in Makassar before you back to your village someday? Do you have any targeting in Makassar before you old, getting old, and back to Masamba? Do you have a special target?
I want finish my magister, but I'm strata 1 now.
Okay. Continue until S3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean-
Until like one of product of brand until S10, S20, S30. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm move to the Nor. Do you have a special targeting before you move to your village? I mean, like targeting in Makassar city.
Well, my plan so far after I graduate from my S1 Sarjana, I think I plan to stay at Makassar
Oh.
for looking for a good job, maybe.
Okay.
Because my target is I want to work first before continue my master degree.
Okay. Okay. What about you, Amil? What is your targeting before you back to Bulukumba?
Well, I
Oh,
think
you want to live here until 100 years?
yeah, it can also. So, but,
Oh my god.
I also have targeting before I finish my bachelor degrees. I
Mhm.
think I'm gonna achieve a lot of achievement, like
Mhm.
and compete in a lot of debate competition. I
Mhm.
think I still want to be do that in this
Mm.
time, and yeah, be graduate.
Graduate. So, do you have any like vocabularies or idiom maybe about our topic for this evening?
For urbanization and transmigration, I think the main words is moved.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, because you move here and there,
Mm-hmm.
and you gotta know what is your destination. So
Mm.
always move, but never forget what your goals.
Okay. Now, please conclude. What is your conclusion about our topic this evening?
So for me, urbanization and transmigration is very solid agenda of the government or the individual itself, and I think urbanization and transmigration is a good in some way
Mm-hmm.
because it's help people, but
Okay.
also it's very very crowding the cities because it's not limited. So I think it's good when it regulated,
Mhm.
and I think yeah, maybe that's all.
Okay. One sentence, a closing statement to smart listeners. Yeah. Kata-kata bijak.
Kata-kata bijak
Yeah,
hari ini.
wise
So
word.
the quotes of the day is keep moving, but never forget to come home.
Okay. Thank you, Amil. Okay, I move to the Noor. Noor.
Okay.
Okay. What is your conclusion?
So what I can conclude about urbanization and
Mhm.
transmigration topic, both of these have disadvantages and
Mhm.
advantages,
Mhm.
what we already explained and discussed before. But I think that if you want to solve or face the disadvantages
Mhm.
for the individual, maybe you can
Mhm.
prepare yourself
Oh.
first. I think that's it.
Okay, do you have idioms or wise word maybe or vocabularies? Okay, maybe a closing statement or wise word kata-kata bijak, please.
Okay, for those who watch this, I think if you already think about or plan to move or making a urbanization or transmigration, it's okay to try it and prepare yourself because you never know until you try it.
Okay, good. Sounds great. Giving applause for us. Okay, thank you guys for coming here in our second home. Thank you Nur from UKM Bahasa Unismu Makassar. Thank you Anissa from Meta ya. Thank you Amil ya from UKM Bahasa Unismu Makassar. Thank you guys for coming for this evening. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, smart listeners and viewers at home. Our discussion, yeah, Smart Up Your Life English discussion, Smart FM with English communities. And don't forget always, yeah, listen and watch 101.1 Smart FM di Spirit of Indonesia, especially our program, yeah, English communities every Wednesday on 17, yeah, or 7 p.m. until 8 p.m. And that's all. Yeah, see you for the next week. Bye bye.